In every VMware environment, there's one silent threat that never waits for office hours: disk exhaustion. A simple 95% disk usage alert can start a chain reaction: service outages, midnight escalations, and scrambling engineers. Each incident required 15 to 30 minutes of manual work. And when disks ran out at 3 a.m., operations froze. Every interruption cost the business not just time, but credibility, customer satisfaction, and money. Until they automated. Introducing the Automated Disk Expansion Workflow. A lightweight, intelligent extension to VMware Center that detects disk pressure early and expands the disk automatically, safely, and consistently. When the disk rises above your threshold, the system springs into action. It scans the VM, validates policies, calculates safe expansion size, expands the disk, rescans the OS, validates success, and logs the entire operation. All fully automated. In production, this workflow eliminated disk-related outages for 6 months straight. Incidents dropped from 20 per month to nearly zero. Engineers reclaimed over 100 hours every month previously wasted on repetitive tasks. Let's talk ROI. In a 5.0 VM environment, 380 engineer hours saved every month. ARM 32,000 to ARM 45,000 in monthly operational savings, zero downtime related to disk exhaustion. A small automation, a massive business impact. Here's how simple it looks in action. One workflow carefully engineered, silently protecting your entire VMware fleet. Let's begin by reviewing the alert configuration inside VMware Aria operations. Here, we have an alert definition specifically designed to detect low disk conditions. Under the symptoms section, you can see that we've configured a trigger for disk utilization greater than 95%. This is the key indicator that will start our automated disk expansion workflow. Next, let's look at how notifications are configured. Under the notification rule, we have the same symptom selected: disk utilization greater than 95%, ensuring that only critical events generate an outbound alert. The outbound alert is sent to Aria Orchestrator using a webhook endpoint. Here is the payload that Aria operations will send whenever this condition is detected. Let's run a test notification to confirm the integration. Now let's switch over to our test virtual machine. Currently, this VM does not have any disks exceeding the configured threshold. As you can see, the workflow is successfully triggered by Aria operations, and Orchestrator receives the event. However, because the VM does not have any disk above the threshold, the workflow stops gracefully. It also sends a notification email to inform the administrator that no expansion was required. Now, let's simulate a real scenario. We'll fill up the I/O drive to exceed the 95% threshold and trigger the alert again. As soon as the disk usage surpasses the threshold, Aria operations sends the alert, and the workflow in Aria Orchestrator begins processing. The workflow automatically identifies the correct VMDK file, expands the virtual disk at the vSphere layer, and then uses PowerShell inside the guest OS to extend the logical partition. The disk expansion is now complete. Let's verify. And here's the confirmation email sent by the workflow, showing that the disk expansion succeeded without manual intervention.